Good afternoon. Welcome to On.Point.Paradise, where we create beauty from pain. I'm your host, Bree. This is my channel. Keep in mind that energy is fluid, and so we can talk about past, present, and/or future situations. Um, Please take what fits for you and leave the rest for someone else who may need some guidance. Okay. Okay, we are going to read for Aries. Another fire gang. Fire gang in the building. Okay. Aries. One could be significant for you. Okay. Number one. Um, what is that song? Uh, Faith Evans, I'm burning up. I just hear burning up. My heart is like burning up. I can't remember the damn song. I just heard it. We're going to find out what energy you are dealing with at this time, Aries. Fire gang. I already shuffled and cleansed the cards, but of course I'm going to shuffle on dead. It just... Shuffle on dead. Source. What is the energy that Aries is in at this time? Y'all must be listening to some old school music. Y'all got to be listening to some old school music. Old school music, I swear. Like, I just freaking heard my love, do you ever dream of candy coated raindrops? You're the same like candy rain. Y'all must be jamming. Y'all got to be. It is Saturday, but y'all is in y'all old school feels. Okay, y'all. Wow. Okay. Come on, cards. Alright. Let's give y'all one more good shuffle. That was kind of clashing. Alright, source. What energy is Aries in at this time? What energy is Aries in at this time, source? Y'all is jamming to, what's the group called So For Real? My love, did you ever think that it would be something? Never thought I would find all that I need in life. All I want, all I need, I know I found it in you. Y'all is jamming. Source, what energy is Aries in at this time? Y'all jamming. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Temple Path. Okay. 12, which equals a 3. Mind, body, and soul. In balance, baby. Come through, Aries. Okay. 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 So, Aries, y'all climbing. Y'all are going in sequence, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay? Now, what came out for you guys is the card 13. Let me make sure. Yeah, 13. Financial restraints. Or, no, sorry. Financial constraints. And this was in reverse. So that means you coming up out of that mentality of lacking. Also, I'm hearing you know how to make a dollar stretch. But the reason why I was saying y'all was going in synchronicity or going in sequence was because this is at the bottom of the deck. This is the card 12, right? Look at what's up under that. What's up under there? What's that? What does that say? That says victory. Y'all done came out of the mentality of lacking. Baby. No wonder why y'all singing that song. My love, do you ever dream of? No wonder why. Okay, Aries. So you coming out of financial constraints. You no longer thinking and feeling like you lacking in the financial department. Y'all gonna make it do what it do, baby. Why did I... Yo, that was Jamie Foxx. I don't even know what song that was. I really cannot remember what song that is, but he's like, you know what? I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Hey, yo. Sorry. I love me some Jamie Foxx. Hey, yo. That part right there, though. Yeah. That's y'all energy. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Come through, Aries gang. Just saying. We're gonna find out what's attracting this financial constraints to you at this time, okay? Source. What is attracting financial constraints in reverse for Aries at this time? You know what? I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Woo! Alright. Source, what is attracting financial constraints in reverse to Aries at this time? What is attracting Aries? Well, what is attracting financial constraints in reverse to Aries at this time? The Temple path. What is attracting financial constraints in reverse? Hold on, wait, y'all. Because y'all got the yes card, baby. The yes card. Okay. What I was thinking about before that card shot out, and I asked the question again, and I was talking about the temple path. I was thinking making my way downtown, walking fast, singing that song in my head, but I'm looking at it and it's like, oh, they on their way up, and that card shot out after I asked the question again. Like, they on their way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. And because I really want to see what they're saying yes to. They're saying yes to something. I'm going to have to keep that out. They're saying yes. So let's find out what they're saying yes to. Or what are you saying yes to for Aries? What are you saying yes to? Yes, to spellbound. This is y'all coming up out of financial constraints. Now, spellbound has its own interpretation. And this is my distractions card. You get what I'm saying? This is also trusting in your own intuition. Um, because this person is blinded or got something over their eyes, but it's a lot of symbols around this person. And what's so crazy is they got the symbol of Mars in their hand. Or should I say male, female? I don't know. But they're saying yes to you coming out of financial constraints, the mind of lacking. You're coming out of feeling like you don't have enough. Oh, definitely coming out of distractions. Bottom of the deck, sensual being. This is y'all energy all day, every day. You're stepping into your own energy when it comes to I can't make this up. When it comes to you going down your own path, you're going to have victory in it by stepping into that energy of not allowing outside source to dictate what it is that you think and feel and what you know about yourself. Coming out of the mentality of lacking, you're going to have a lot of people that's going to show up in the energy of envy, but that's not for you to worry about. That's not for you to care about, because you're finding yourself being victorious by being in your own lane. Now I'm hearing my song. Stay in my lane. I don't think too much. I just stay in my lane. I just stay in my lane. Just okay. But yeah, absolutely coming out of mental conflict with yourself about what you don't have. You know, you also realizing that you also realizing that um the reason why a lot of things are happening around you is for you to just understand them on an in-depth level without involving yourself in it. I don't know where that's coming from, but you're being abundantly clear on your path. Like, you can see your path, like you can see it even when no one else sees it, and it's very much glorious for you. Like, you're going to find victory in knowing and understand that you lack for nothing. Aries, you don't you don't lack for nothing. Financial constraints, if it was in the upright, this would say, ain't shit in the savings account, or ain't shit in your pockets, or it would talk about, the worry of finances and those things. But it's like they're telling you to say yes to um say yes to tuning out the world for once. I kid you not, because I keep looking at this. Tune the world out. You tuning the world out. You tuning out what people say and do, how they feel, what they thinking. You tuning that out and getting in tune with you allows you to see that you're not lacking in any area of your life. You're actually you're actually a lot more fruitful than you like to think. It's victory coming your way, girl. Boy. Now I'm hearing the church song. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. Victory today is mine. I told Satan to get thee behind. Victory today is mine. Oh, y'all in church. Oh, y'all chill. Y'all wilding out tonight. We're going to find out what is the dark aspect of this. I don't even know which one to do. We just going to find out what's the dark aspect of this spread. Because they're telling you to say yes. They're telling you yes to tuning everybody out. Get in your path. Get in your bag. Get in you. Damn. That's beautiful, though. Let's see. Now, I don't know who the hell that is. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you're lost, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. I don't know why that came up, but maybe that's source telling you that anytime you feel like you... Okay. Anytime you feel like you're alone, anytime you feel like you don't know which way you're going, look to them. Don't look for them, but look to them. They'll always be there for you. God, source, universe, whoever you may pray to, they will always be there for you. All right. Source, what is the dark aspect? This yes card, spellbound energy for Aries at this time. Sheesh. One more. What is being revealed to you? Thank you. Two of Wands in reverse. You're at a crossroads. You're at a crossroads with wanting to do this alone. This Two of Wands in reverse along with the Nine of Coins in reverse. This is like, you're okay with being by yourself. You just don't want to do it alone. Okay. All right. Four of Swords in reverse. Yeah, you're coming up out of that healing phase. You're coming up out of solitude. Page of Wands in the upright. Yeah. Finding a passionate new beginning. This also can be talking about a message of passion. We got sensual being at the bottom of the other deck. So yeah, it's being passionate. Also protective, insightful. This is acting on your passions. Okay. With the Devil card in the upright. So, I'm hearing Jasmine Sullivan, Let It Burn. Yeah. This is definitely wanting, this is Capricorn energy, okay, with the Devil card. And this is basically talking about bringing your passions to fruition. This also talks about not overindulging in overindulging in things that you usually, it's like you're trying to do something new. Something requires you to do something new, something that's not your forte. This is also giving me with the Devil card in the upright. It's also giving me like you could be bounded to one way of being when you can be many ways. You don't have to be just one way. You can be many ways, like a jack of all trades. I don't know why I'm getting that. But this is giving me coming out of solitude to want to go after something and not know if it's healthy or not. That's what it's giving me. You could also be bounded. I mean, you could be bound to being a little on the loner side. Yeah, because I keep getting the Nine of Pentacles in my head. It's like you would like to possibly get in a relationship or start something new, but you're not sure because of you know of what you dealt with in the past. Is like, okay, I'm healed. Okay, I can come out, have a good time, explore the world however I see fit. However, I don't know if I really want to give myself to someone because I don't got time to be giving myself to anyone who ain't doing what I want them to do or what I expect them to do. This could also be you not want to involve yourself in someone because you don't want to lose control. Maybe you think or feel like you could lack control or you could lose control if you was to go after your passions. However, I'm not getting that feeling from the fact that this card keep popping up in my face. Like, no, this path is rightfully yours. This path is rightfully yours. Be in tune with yourself so much that you allow your passions to come up so you can ground them using this devil energy, aka Capricorn energy, because Capricorns are about practicality. You know, they are strategic people, but they're more strategic when it comes to the material aspect, the practicality aspect. You know, they want to make sure that their home is stabilized, but they also want to give to their partner and stuff. And a lot of them is slow moving to connections and stuff like that. And there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just like You're not sure, they won't be sure either. It's giving me that kind of energy. But you coming out of the mindset of thinking that you have to be a certain way to go after something or someone that you're passionate about. That is that's the yes. They don't want you to think like that. They don't want you to think that you're lacking in any way, shape, or form. Sometimes your passions could be tied to your finances, depending on how you utilize them. Keep that in mind too. We're gonna find out the light aspect of this though. It's like you're wondering if you should go to someone, but you're afraid that you might get obsessed, addicted. But you also tired of waiting. You tired of waiting. And truth be told, you only waiting on you. The limitations that you are setting for yourself are not going to apply to everybody else. Damn, I was just saying this in Gemini reading. So sometimes what you prefer is not necessarily fit for you to endure or even enjoy. Your preference can block you from receiving what it is that you're asking for. Well, I prefer a person to be like this, and I want this, and I want that. Your types, the labels, the things that you put on. Don't get me wrong, it's okay to be specific, but it's also like this. If you are unaware of the lessons that you must learn for yourself, for your soul to grow, then you're not going to know what you're attracting if you have yet to understand that in yourself. So if you're not done learning lessons, of course you're going to keep attracting those people, places, or things that are requiring you to learn your lesson. If you are done learning your lessons, you can reap the benefits of the victory that is coming after you walk your intended path. Because that's what's behind the temple path, is victory. What's the light aspect of this spread for Aries? I almost said Gemini. Y'all could be dealing with a Gemini. Yeah, you ready. You ready. You ready to build something new with this Three of Wands. You ready to build something new. What you left was, what you left in the past it was treacherous. I wouldn't even say it was treacherous. It was hazy. It was too much. Oh my God. Like that. All right. What is the light aspect? Yeah, you've been enlightened behind it. Going inward, working on yourself with this Hangman. The devil is here again. The devil is clarifying the devil. Baby! Wait. Wait. Aries, let me just say this, okay? Congratulations, okay? Congratulations. So this is the night. No, wait. Is it? No. This is the page of swords. And this is telling me that you're coming. Okay. I get it. Okay, let me get out. You're being more communicative when it comes to your passions. It may seem a little all over the place because, fire and air tends to be the fastest elements in the universe. But that doesn't mean that, everything is a flight or fight and not everything is bad. You get what I'm saying? But you're learning how to communicate your passions more, even when they sound weird or out of the ordinary, kind of unorthodox. But it's also because you closed out a fucking cycle. The world card. You are closing out a cycle. Absolutely. Didn't I say I think y'all dealing with a Gemini? Look at this shit. Right up under the world card is the Lover's card. Yeah, with judgment, bruh. I can't make this shit up. This is intended for you to walk down, honey. You can realize this Ten of Swords ain't nothing but ego to death. Look up under that. I ain't even supposed to be going this far in the day. You're going to get your pentacles, your wish fulfillment, your partner, whatever it is that you want. You realizing that it takes for you to let go, share some shit. You're not dead, your ego dead. And we just had a fucking full moon eclipse, and this is a sun eclipse. But listen to me. With the King of Wands, you turning your back on past shit that no longer serve you. You have risen above. You are having your judgment call, and they're telling you, yes, this is for you. Go, Aries, y'all just closed out a motherfucking cycle. Hold on now. Listen to this. Because you ready to start the fuck anew. You have, even though this is the desert, don't get it fucked up. This is desert land. You see that? It's the desert. That doesn't mean the ground ain't sturdy enough for you to build on. Yeah. I just heard fucking DMX, God rest his soul, and RIP. He's a Sag. Sorry. Gotta give it up for the Sag gang. Gang. Anyway, I just heard it's dark and hell is hot in his voice. That's what he said in, which album was it? Dark Man X? I can't even fucking remember, but it was on one of them albums when he said it's dark and hell is hot. Listen, you have all of this in front of you now that you can build on. Whether you want to build there or build somewhere else. But your mind, your thoughts, your feelings, what it is that you truly want, you can go after with no hesitation. You have healed. You're no longer spellbound to anything, anyone. You've been enlightened. You can come off that gallows now and move on to the next step. You can do that now. The devil clarifying the devil, baby. Listen to me. It's amazing how the same cards be clarifying the same cards for me, because I know I'm hitting double confirmation. Let me tell you something, Aries. This is the devil card. This is with his back turned. Yes, you burning everything that you once knew with this tree of knowledge. You're burning everything that you once knew, and you taking your heart, your lotus, and you getting the fuck up on out of there and dodging. Baby, what I say? You ain't no longer bound to no. That's why y'all was up in here singing Candy Rain. Because y'all feeling something. Something of excitement. Something that just be like, I can't wait to do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's me. That's how y'all is right now. Okay. All right. Me too. I'm like that too. I'm an Aries moon, so trust me when I say I know that Aries energy. Like, y'all put a death to ego, man. Y'all put a death to ego. Egotistical ways. Egotistical thinking. Egotistical. Yeah, and the crazy thing about it is on this particular side, this is not a I mean, yes, it's a betrayal, of course, but you realize that you wasn't harmed at all. It was just your ego. Your ego was bruised. That's it. With this King of Wands, you have no problem with sitting with yourself in the dark You have no problem with that. You can sit firmly on your throne and do what's necessary for you. You are being called. You are being called to step up out of the shadows. Okay? You see them coffins back there. You're being called to step up out of the shadows of what you once knew. What you once knew. Yes. Source is trying to grant you a love. This could also talk about choosing you too. Choosing to close out a cycle. They saying it's both. Choosing to close out a cycle to walk into your new love. What you've been working so hard for. Oh my gosh. Y'all put in the work. Y'all put in the work. Chloe Bailey. I'm hearing the song. Working flossing like I do. Working flossing like I do. Working flossing like I do. All these that's up in my dreams. You can't get up. You got 2 tens out here, baby. 2 tens. You are on your way to Empress status, baby. Come through, Aries. Come through. Let's get y'all some advice. They said yes to the dress. Ooh. Some of you Aries might be getting married. Ooh, say yes to the dress. Look at this. Don't this look like it's a prep ceremony waiting for you, baby? You better... Woo! All right. Heart chakra. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Okay. This is your heart chakra, green. It says be with nature. So you may get you may get what it is that you need from source by walking in nature, getting in tune with nature. Throat chakra, mystery. So yeah, you're a mystery. It's like no one knows how to approach you, come at you in any way, shape, or form because you're high vibing. I love that. Aries, it is, and you know, let me just say something real quick before I read this last chakra card. One thing that I can honestly understand about Aries is that they have this beautiful energy of determination, ambition, and a lot of times y'all could seem a lot flighty. You could seem flighty. But that's because y'all ready to hit the ground running. Aries is like, I'm up, let's go, let's do this. Da, 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 da. They want to get shit done, but it's like this with y'all right now. Y'all put in so much work that y'all have yet to even acknowledge in yourselves. That blessings are waiting for you. They are literally waiting for you to come and understand that in yourself. Like it's like what I've been saying for the past 2 months for myself. Even though I set this intent last year, I'm going after everything that I want. Because in the past I used to be like, Not only that, I used to deal with my own little roadblocks and shit, but I had to also understand that there comes a time and place when you get to go after what you want. And I set my intent last year. Like, I'm going after everything that I want. Why? Because I've always felt bad about going after everything that I want. You get what I'm saying? And yes, being, the way that I was brought up could play a part in that. Also, what I saw around me could have played a part in that. My environment, the things that I'm hearing. You get what I'm saying? The shit that we watch on the news and social media, all of that shit could play a part in it. That's why that spellbound is here, because what this man looks like he's doing is he's trying to not see nobody. He looked like he's trying to plug his ears, but he's trying to listen to himself. Not get caught up with the world and what they talking about. Last chakra is your crown chakra, guidance. So yeah, they want you to walk in nature. It's like you're walking into a space of unknown and they're telling you that it is A-okay. You are safe. As long as you're not thinking that you're lacking, as long as you're not making yourself feel like you lack, as long as you're not walking into an environment portraying that you're lacking, you will never lack for anything. They got you, you got you. As long as you choose you, you got you, they got you. Let's get y'all some love notes from the universe. Y'all closing out cycles. Y'all letting go of everything that y'all once knew or everything that once served you. Y'all letting that go for something greater. And you definitely going to have something greater with that victory card up under the temple path. That's source calling on y'all anyway. Telling y'all to step up. It's time to reap your benefits, boo. It's time to reap what you have sown. So if you sowed some good seeds out there, just know they flourishing and they're ready for you to come. Pick them up. Now if you're sowing bad seeds out there, then you know what that means. You're going to have to find some new land to plant on. But we all get a chance to do something that'll help us along our journey. And even if you think that you're supposed to walk this journey alone, you're not. They with you. Source is with you. But they want to grant you whatever you worked hard on, whether that's working hard on yourself, working hard on your stability, working hard to make sure that you don't fall in the same loop that you've been in the past. Source is ready to grant you whatever it is that you've been asking for. They're ready to give it to you. All right. What love notes do you have for Aries at this time, Source? They waiting on you. Love is the reason. You see that? Love is the reason. You see that? Love is the reason. All right. Love is the reason. Okay, it says each person in your life is there for a reason. And that reason always has something to do with love. Like me, the universe. They ain't playing with... What did I say? What did I say? It's about love. What did I say? They is ready to give you what you worked so hard for. They're ready to give it to you. I done channeled so many damn songs. The song that I hear right now is Give It To Me by Jay-Z. And that will conclude your reading. Y'all better give it to me. Give me that funk, that sweet, that nasty, that gushy stuff. Go ahead, Aries. Go ahead. Listen. You broke some cycles in yourself, baby. You found a way to balance out, healthy situations, from unhealthy situations. You walked away from things that no longer serve you. And that's fine. Keep going. Go on and go after your passions. This is your reading. This is your reading. Aries. Fire gang gang. I hope this helps. I hope you accept that love that's coming in from the universe because they ready to shower you with candy rain. Y'all cute. Y'all cute. I love y'all. I love y'all. I'm sending y'all love and light. Oh my goodness. Peace and prosperity, happiness and healthiness. I'm out.